Green Tea Face Moisturizer. Green tea has anti-aging properties, due to its high antioxidant content, so it protects your skin from free radicals. It also soothes sensitive skin, shrinks large pores, and calms down inflamed acne. But our moisturizer also includes other potent ingredients, like aloe vera, argan oil, and essential oils. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, E, B12, it rejuvenates the skin, repairs it, and its salicylic acid is very effective against acne. It also protects your skin from harmful UV rays, exfoliates it, and gives it a shine. Argan oil regulates the production of skin sebum, thus reducing skin oiliness and preventing acne breakouts. It contains vitamin E, which helps fade acne scars by stimulating skin cell regeneration. Tea tree oil contains compounds that destroy the acne-causing bacteria. It clears the sebaceous glands, disinfects the pores, and prevents acne outbreaks. Face moisturizer recipe. First of all, we need to make a green tea. Simply steep 1 green tea bag in 1 cup of water for 20 minutes. Once it cools down, use 2 teaspoons of it to add into a small mixing bowl. You can sip the rest of the tea. Now, add 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, then 3 teaspoons of argan oil, and 4 drops each of tea tree, geranium, and lavender essential oils. Mix the ingredients using a spoon, then transfer the mixture into a disc-top dispenser, to make it easier to use. Store it in a cool dry place, and shake before use, since it will be a bit watery, and tend to separate. How to use it? Just pour a dime-sized amount of it onto your palm, then apply it onto a damp, freshly washed face. Pat your face dry after that, and enjoy the moisturized skin.